Hi, I'm Michael. I've been working in personal development as a life coach for some years, and I've come across something amazing and I really want to share it with you. It's called laughter yoga. A lot of us believe that dealing with things like anxiety, depression, building confidence, loving ourselves, all that stuff is hard and difficult and complicated. And I've found that with laughter, with this thing that is natural to all of us and we've been doing since before we even knew what a sense of humour was, we can actually feel really good really fast. And we don't need to spend a lot of time sitting on a mountain working it all out, practicing every day. We can get results now. Join me for the 40-day Laughter Yoga Challenge and change your life, change your response to life to one of laughter. It's a quid a day, you can't go wrong, unbelievable materials, and also lots of coaching from me along the way, a great Facebook group to be a part of and share all your experiences. Just a really cool thing to have a go at. If you're a bit miserable or you just want to laugh more, or you're a person who experiences a bit of anxiety or a bit of depression or whatever it might be, this will really, really help if you really give it a good go. And if it doesn't work for you, I'll give you your money back. But if you really give this a really good go and you really learn how to laugh, things can really, really get better really fast. I've said really a lot. I realise that now in hindsight. I also promise not to wear any spandex throughout the entire course, or play any silly workout music. Okay, thanks. Do the course, it's good. Cheers, bye.